Bruno Silva fight, I think I got like 6 week to 7.
Right. And, earning the Fight of the Night award against Royval, I'm sure that was very exciting for you, because it definitely can be a bit of a life changer when you get a nice bonus like that. And congratulations on that. I love seeing fighters get their bonuses. What, if anything, did you learn from your performance against Royval based on how you normally fight that you'll carry into a title fight when you go into your title match?
Man, I learned that I got to work on my defense a lot more. Getting hit that much in the fight, it wasn't like, it don't feel great after the fight. You know what I mean? When I was in the fight, I was enjoying the fight and everything, but after the fight, I was feeling all those punches and stuff like that. So I got to work on my defense for sure.
Yeah, you definitely don't want to fight every fight like that. That's not a brain smart thing to do, shall we say.
Yeah.
You want to keep yourself sharp.